Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video useful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. Those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can check out the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that fun information. But what is it? So right next to me, I have this 3-drawer nightstand, which is perfect for keeping yourself organized. So let's go ahead and show you how quick and easy it is to assemble. Okay, so install was super easy. It should take you only maybe 10 to 15 minutes max. As far as the size of the unit, it is 23 3/4 inches tall, approximately 15 inches wide, and approximately 11 3/4 inches deep. The 3 fabric drawers are easy to remove, so it makes it easy to clean, which is one of the things I like about this. And the drawer depth is approximately 6 3/4. The unit also has adjustable feet, which is nice. So if you are on an uneven surface, you can just adjust the feet to make it nice and well balanced. And the drawers hold a lot of stuff, as you can see, which I really like. Okay guys, that is the ins and outs of this little dresser here. If you are looking to get organized and something with some nice storage, totally worth checking this out. I am a big fan of it. If there is something that I did not cover, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those, and that is it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.